here with Autobahn Collision Center. Welcome to our video series where we answer the questions we've been Googling.
What body shop in North Hollywood does fleet accounts for plumbing and HVAC companies? If your business runs service vans, you need a shop that understands your vehicles aren't just transportation. They're your brand on the road every day, and downtime costs you real money. At Autobahn Collision Center, we work with local service businesses to keep their fleet sharp and on the road. We offer fleet accounts that prioritize your vehicles in our 50-foot spray booth, 14 feet high and 16 feet wide, so your work vans move through the process efficiently and come back looking professional. Whether it's one van or 10, we treat your fleet like the business asset it is. We're on Vose Street near Radford Avenue, right by Benjamin Moore and Catalina Paints. Autobahn Collision Center, the service fleet specialist.
Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions. Phone number 818-765-8777.